Hey guys, welcome to 180 TV. So today we're gonna unbox Yojimbo electric jigsaw.
First is we will check how many power. 600 watts. This is the mini
Bruh.
jigsaw.
Mini jigsaw, yeah.
It has 220 volts, 60 hertz. So what are we going to do? We will gonna unbox, then we're gonna
Install.
install the
The
blade. So we will
blades.
gonna teach them how to install the blade.
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Let's go. Open. What do we have here?
Yikes. We got we got the manual. We got a manual.
The manual.
And something inside here is the blade. The blade and this one. I don't know what this
Allen
called.
Allen
And
screw. That's carbon brush.
carbon
Allen
brush.
screw. This one we will use in installing the
The
blade. Okay.
I think the blade is sharper. And the otherwise, the heavy one, the heavy mini one, unlike the others. And we forgot something. Yeah, this one. I think
Free
three
blades.
blades.
Okay. So the unit.
The unit.
Wow, it's not so big. It's very
Not so
handy.
big, but it's kinda.
It's very handy. Yeah, that's very good because it's very handy. So gaan.
Gaan, but in my hands,
Let me
my
see.
hands are literally.
But it is made of hard plastic. So this is the blade.
The blade. This is the silver.
There's the switch on. Okay, let's teach them how to install the blade. We'll need the Allen screw and of course a blade. So let's try it. And we will also gonna see and test this one outside.
And who's gonna test it now?
You install it first, so you have to
But I'm not.
loosen. Kailangan mo siya guys, paluwagan muna yung bolt diyan, no.
Why it won't fit?
Let me see. Like that. You have to adjust, turn.
Turn.
Okay, the other one also like that.
It won't.
Because it's you have to fit.
2 feet.
Yeah, that's it. And turn. Okay. Now let's see if it's already. Let them see first. Okay, that's it. Okay.
It's kind of blurry.
The blade must go, of course, outside.
Oh,
Not fit yet.
not fit yet. Doesn't fit.
Yeah.
It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit, guys.
Now wait a moment. You have to use the Allen screw. Loosen. That's it. That's loosened already. You have to. Okay, let's see if it fits. The blades goes there.
I think this is it.
Okay, so it's fit. Okay, so we have to
Fits.
lock
Oh.
it.
Lock it here again.
Yeah.
The one that I cannot fit.
Okay, you hold the camera. Okay, is it? Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So pag medyo mahirap lang siya pagka medyo bago pa kasi. Okay.
I think this takes too long.
No, wait. Not so hard. No. That.
The other one. It's so. Ooh.
Okay, so you have to check that the blade will be stick like that. Yeah, cannot move. Okay, so let's gonna test it outside. Sige, you plug it. Ay, dira. Okay, sige, panda na ba? Alright. Sige. Diretso. That's the cut. You have to go straight. Go straight. But it's okay. So,
My
that's it.
body's moving for more. It's shaking.
It's shaking.
It's shaking me.
So that's how it works, the jigsaw. How does see? Sorry, but Mia did not cut it straight. It was
Hello.
only just for demonstration, guys. Huh? But the blade is very good.
Good, but the color of that is more like silver.
So, guys,
So please like and subscribe. And
that's it for the jigsaw.
yeah.
We test it. We test it good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please like.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.